Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when we have no laptop sound or when the sound is not working on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with making sure that the sound here is not muted. So as you can see, we have, as I hover my cursor in this speaker icon here, it says that speakers audio is 72%. So that means my volume is not muted. And another thing we need to do here is just to make a right click and then go click on the troubleshoot sound problems, and it will start detecting or diagnosing the problems in our sound here in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And after the troubleshooting process, just make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed, see if the sound is now working, and if it's still not working, you're still facing some issues, simply just go to the playback tab. So how can you go to the playback tab? Simply go to this sound settings here, and then we will be brought to the settings option or settings window. So just scroll down and we will look for the more sound settings. So it is at the very bottom. So just please click on that. And then once you do that, you will see another small window coming up. So here, all you need to do is just to click on this playback tab here and then select the speakers and then click on this properties button here. And once you do that, you will have the general tab, the levels tab, advanced, and spatial sound. So simply click on the advanced options here. And then all you need to do is just to go to this default format section. So you can just, if you can click on this drop down button here, simply click on that, and then you will be having all the options of the sample rate and bit depth to be used when running in shared mode. So just click on that and then try each of the options there, and then you can just click on this test button to test whether it makes sound in your device, and choose whichever option there makes or enable the sound of your device. Okay, so once you're done with this one, we will go with the speakers again. So here in the speakers icon, make a right click again and then go to the sound settings, and then we will be back to this same window. So just go directly to the more sound settings, and then if you have this window again, all you need to do is just to select the speakers here. And if you have the options that says enhancement, so if you have the enhancement options here or in enhancement tab here at the very top, just please click on that. And if you have also the signal enhancement under the advanced tab, just simply check it or select it. And then once you have done that, simply just click on this apply button here and then click on OK. And once you're done with this one, just close this window. And then we will be going to the device manager option. So just go and make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to this device manager window here, option. And then we will be opening the device manager window. So simply just expand that one or maximize it. And then you will just go to the sound, video, and game controllers option. Now once you have found it, simply just double click on that, and then we will be looking for the Realtek audio or the main driver for your speaker. So just click on that and then make a right click, click on uninstall device, and then do the same with this AMD audio device. Click on uninstall, and this AMD high definition audio device, click on uninstall. So just leave the USB microphone, just leave it be, and then just don't make any changes with that because this is not the speaker, so this is only a microphone. And once you have done all the uninstalling process with all the other audio devices here, simply just go to the action tab here at the very top. And then once you click on that, you will see this scan for hardware changes option. Just click on scan for hardware changes option, and then all the uninstalled drivers that you have just uninstalled will be back here again. And then just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, and see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, you're still facing some issues, then please make sure that you are connected with your internet. Go open a browser that you have in your device, for example, Google Chrome or Firefox, and then or Edge. You can also have the Edge. And then here in the search tab, just search manually the it's the sound driver that you have that you're in your device for your speaker. Just search the sound driver for your device and then manually download and install the update for that driver. Okay? And once you have done that, after you have done the installing and downloading process, simply make a quick restart with your device. See if the updated driver has already fixed the problem. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.